Today in ELA, we continued learning about more poetry characteristics. The characteristics we learned about today were similes and metaphors. So we learned that similes are when the poet is comparing one thing to another thing using like or as. Some examples being, she is as brave as a lion, or you hop like a bunny. So a simile is comparing two things using like or as. So you see in the examples, she is as brave as a lion. The other example, you hop like a bunny. Some other examples of similes are, her heart is like gold, or he eats like a pig. Notice the word like in there. The other poetry characteristic we learned about is very similar. It is called a metaphor. That is when the poet is comparing two things that are not alike but have something in common, using is or are. So the examples are, you are my sunshine, or her brain is a computer. So very similar to similes, but instead of saying something is like something else, you're saying it is something else. So some examples of metaphors. Her heart is gold. So comparing that to a simile, you say her heart is like gold. A metaphor is saying her heart is gold. Another one is, he is a pig. Comparing that to saying, he eats like a pig. A metaphor would be saying, he is a pig. So again, today we learned about similes and metaphors. Similes have like or as when you're comparing. Metaphor, you're saying something is something else, or they are something else.